The arc 3 points command will create an arc from 3 points. The first point is the start of the arc. The second is a point on the arc. And the third point is the last point of the arc. To demonstrate this command, I'll select the arc 3 points from the wireframe ribbon and create the right half of the 3.465 arc. As the first point, I'll select this endpoint here. As the second point, I'll use the fast point option and enter the equation for the midpoint of the arc. I'll type 3.465 times sine bracket 45 as the x location, and then comma -5 plus 3.465 times sine bracket 45, and then press the Enter key to create the location of the second point. Then as the third point location, I'll type 0, -5 plus 3.465, and press the Enter key to finish the creation of this arc. As long as the arc is blue, any of the point locations can be changed by selecting the appropriate point number. I'll also use this command to create an arc through the center of the circles. First, I want the line type to be a center line, so I'll right-click in the graphics area and change the line style to center. I'll select these 3 points to create the line. I'll apply this and set the line style back to solid. With this command, I can also create an arc which is tangent to 3 points by selecting the Tangent Radio button. At any point during the arc creation, I can switch between using a tangent point or a point. For example, I'll select this arc as the first tangent point. Then I'll select this arc as the second tangent point. And for the last arc, I'll switch to the point mode and then select this point to finish the arc. Since I've created all of the arcs I need, I'll exit the command and then delete this last arc. Lastly, I'll change this arc's line style back to a solid line and save my work.